Well, here's a little documentary on the shower pan job, um, showing a lot of degradation down here on the curb area. This 4x4 that used to be the curb is now nothing but just a rotted clump of wood. Here's a corner where some termite damage has taken effect. So much moisture in this area, it was conducive to a lot of termite damage. First termite damage was in this area, the main framing stud in the corner. Well, here's phase 2 of the construction project. Replaced all the framing. It was eaten by the termites. We built in a shelf for towels. I also installed a Delta faucet. Had to redo all the plumbing for it, all its connections. Installed the blocking for the shower pan supports. And also installed a ventilation fan and light above the shower area. Run additional wiring from an outlet to the outside wall on the outside of the house. And I broke out the 2-gang switch box and replaced it with a 4-gang to accommodate the switches for the light and fan. And here's a better look at the towel closet. Well, quite a bit of time has passed by since I did my last major portion of the job, but I installed the drywall in the areas that I'd taken down before. I put some R19 insulation in the walls to provide some soundproofing to the other bathroom. And at this point I have up the Wonderboard backer board for the ceiling, and I just began to put the tar paper membrane up on the walls before I put the Wonderboard on the walls. I now have the sloped mortar bed in place, and I'm applying the coal patch asphalt around to seal it before I put the shower pan on. I now have the shower pan installed and the drain installed into the sub-drain. build a screeding guide for the curb. This is after I poured the slope floor, concrete floor. And I've also tiled the curb. And the ceiling. I have also tiled the walls behind the toilet. And the rest of the tile without the grout. And this is after applying grout.